I thank our directors, Madam Cruz, Tugumi Seriza. She has done a great job. She rescued me when the world had turned against me. For you, she's a mother. Indeed, your mother. In all parents, your mother. You gave back to me courage, comfort. Thank you. You've done a great job. May the Almighty give you the best in your life. I thank you for everything which you've done to me. I thank you so much. I thank you. Lastly, there are some children who have passed through in my situation, like the situation which I passed through in, or not like even like that, but I mean for yours, it's very worse than that. I know that you may be given up a second chance, but don't give up. Don't give up. Don't mess it out. Like what I'm telling you, can be like feeling like she's saying what, but the words which I'm telling you, they are right for you, and they are good. They can help you. You can be when you're not seeing them right now, but they can help you. You know, as they say, a word to a wise, it's always enough. It's always enough. So when you're always chilled, I know we'll pick something. When you're not chilled, feel like how you feel like you want to. A nutshell, it's like this. Our dearest parents, I'm here to tell you about our school. And now, I think you see how I'm smart. I'm very smart. Anwar Baby School, Daycare and Primary. It's a very good school. It's a whole. Let me say that it's the best school in the whole world. But for me, it's the very school because they treat well. We eat nice meals. Always, we eat rice. On Saturdays, we eat matok. But we're not fine to matok, but always we eat rice. So bring your children. We have nice teachers who can take care, who can give them nice care. We have nice matrons. They have been good for us. Yeah, those are my words. Bye bye.
Export TV to the world.